Hello, this is Mate from Educators Technology. In this short video, I'm going to walk you through the process of how to embed a YouTube video into your Google Slides. So the first thing is to open your slides. Once there, select the slide where you want to insert a video. For instance, I'll go here to the second slide. So this is where I want to insert the video. I go up, I click on Insert, then choose Video, and then make sure that you have YouTube here. You can either search for the video if you know its title, or you can go to YouTube, grab the URL of the video you want to insert, like this one here, and then come back here and paste it right in the search box and click on Enter. Once it shows up here, click on the video and then click on Insert. And then here it is. Now on the right hand there is a pane here where you can do some customization. For instance, you can choose your play preferences, whether you want to play on click or automatically or manually. For me, I like to play it on click. And then you can choose which portion of the video to watch. For instance, if you want to just share a very specific part of the video, you can specify the timing here, when it starts and when it ends, which is very useful. And then there is the mute audio feature, and there is the size and the rotation. You can change the size and rotation of the video, and you can also change the position. For the size and position, I like to do them manually. I find it quite practical and helpful. For instance, you can just grab the handles here and resize the video the way you want, and you can drag and drop it wherever you want in your slide. So once done, to see how it looks after you've done all the customization, just click on the slideshow and then click on the video. Here it is. All right, so that was a very quick tutorial on how to embed YouTube videos into the Google Slides. Thanks for watching.